Timber!
And today we're going Christmas tree hunting!
Woo! Alright, Mommy, you ready for some Christmas tree hunting? Yep. Big sis, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, she is. Alright, so we are up here in Utah. We got the quads. We're gonna go hunting through some paths, over some rivers, and through the hills to find us a nice Christmas tree. Here we go. Start it up, Mommy.
What are you getting, doll? You looking for rock? Looking for rock and snow.
Who's ready to cut a Christmas tree? Woo-hoo! Oh man!
So this year, sometimes we have lots of snow, sometimes we don't. This year we got a little bit of snow, so we brought our four-wheelers and we brought the truck to throw the trees in. So that's what we're doing this time. Stay tuned for next year to find out what the weather's like.
Hey Mo! Mo's got the saw! Alright, let's go track them. Hunt them out. Yeah, I wanna watch you guys cut the tree down with that thing. With the two-person action. Hey Mo, we need your opinion. Papa thinks he found one for the cabin.
That's a very pretty tree.
So we found the tree for the cabin.
Holding this down.
It's this one. Avery's gonna hold it. We're gonna cut this one, and it's gonna help all the others around it because there's little babies and they don't have the room to grow. So we're gonna cut this one down, and it'll help the rest of them.
Oh wait, we haven't introduced them yet.
Kids, introduce Momo and Papa.
This is Mo. She's very funny, and she put the funniness into our family.
Ah.
Poppy. This is
Poppy?
This is Papa. He's also weird, but he's more of a teaser.
Oh, he's Caesar.
They are our grandparents.
Yes.
Grandma and Grandpa. That is a pretty tree. Wow, yeah. Yeah, we'll pick it up on the way back.
I'll take the smallest tree back. Perfect.
Oh, that's adorable.
Can I get this?
That's two. That is.
Let's see your tree, kiddo.
I'm gonna decorate him.
You gonna decorate it?
We can just bury him in rocks.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. How's the rest go, Mo? Thy leaves are so unchanging. Did I make that up, or is that how it goes?
No, how lovely. I always said, how lovely are your branches.
How lovely are your branches. You got your little Charlie Brown tree? I beg to differ that tree is tiny, but it's nothing like a Charlie Brown tree. That is a blue spruce. Oh, that is a pretty one. Nice and proportional.
Oh, but it's not too pokey. It's actually pretty small, soft.
Is that good or not good?
No, that's good.
I like it.
Yeah, they'll make this one for our house.
Make a little stand for my Christmas tree.
Yes, I will make a stand for your Christmas tree.
Look at Mo's smile on her face. She happy.
I like it.
That's a beauty right there. Papa picks out beauties.
Everybody smile.
That wow!
And we left a little bitty one. No, you got stubborn. Ah! Mommy, get Carmen with a snowball for me. Hello, cakes. See a rock. See a rock? You see a rock? Find a rock. Go find a rock.
This one's for our neighbor.
Is it nice and stout?
Yep, nice and stout. Timber! Woohoo!
Woo! Fun fact. We call our grandparents Mo and Papa. But Mo is actually Connie, and Papa is actually Don. So we don't call him
What's Mo's birth name?
Connie.
Consuelo.
I gotta take photos.
Oh. Puppy, that's what?
No, it is. Do we need more? Or are we good?
We got him. We're good.
Oh my goodness, Mo. You want to trade? We can't have you falling off.
I'm gonna roll it onto the back side.
There she goes.
There you go. Okay, next.
All right.
Right here. Okay, little girl. Come on in.
Got it.
Got it. Yeah, because he was telling me when I got Martin and Allie.
Yeah.
With his sleigh, with a big old bag. What are you doing, Mo? Holy cow!
Christmas trees.
One's right there by the cabin tree.
Oh,
Alrighty, we're pulling in the Christmas tree for the cabin. It's nice and big, beautiful. It's gorgeous.
Oh!
Oh, that was messed up. Oh, that was so messed up.
You good? Good on the bottom? What's it? It's hanging on something, it looks like. There we go.
yeah, right to the bottom. That looks out perfect.
Good?
We're coming in.
Dun, 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 dun.
Well, na, na, na. Let's see how big it's gonna be.
Hey.
There we go. Those are beautiful. Show me those.
I think what I used to do is nail
Whoa.
blackboards on the bottom.
Well, you did, but
Those are beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. That's the side. That's the side.
All right, we got the tree up over here. What is on your head, crazy little kid? What is that thing? Is that your flash?
in here.
Whoa! Oh, there's mommy way up high on that ladder, putting some lights way high. Woo! Look at that big old tree.
Now we're putting on the garland. Got our little things on. Now we're just putting the bulbs on.
Yeah.
These are gonna look so cute. Oh wait, wait, wait. Oh,
Oh, that's pretty. You got a pretty tree skirt there.
oh yeah. I don't want it on there, but my mom forced me to put it there. Look, 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 look.
But look how beautiful it is.
Over here, camera.
Here, I just suggested it. There's the beautiful star.
That tree.
It's beautiful.
So this is our Christmas tree that we cut and we brought it back to Las Vegas.
Here it comes. So the ladies were busy today running around this tree like a whole bunch of little elves. And I was busy doing something else, so I didn't get to help. But they saved the star for me. So I get to put it up now. Dun, 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 dun. This is where I need Christmas music.
All right. No, it's good. It's good. You got it.
Yay.
It's perfect. There should be a plug down in the
plug
tree.
it in here somewhere.
Yep. It should be right in there.
Drum roll. With my Clark Griswold. Plug in.
Woo! Yay! Yay! It's beautiful.
Like it. All right, everybody. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave us a comment. Make sure that you like and subscribe and get your Christmas on.
And hit the jingle bells so we can send you notifications for our next video.
Later.